This play feels like a lot of impossible. Tell 22 stories, impossible. Over 50 characters, impossible. A cast of 10, impossible. You got less than a month and on a budget, impossible. And you trying to pay everyone equitably? It's all the impossibilities for me. I just don't want anyone working for free. That sounds like slavery. The audacity. And they still ain't getting what they worth. But thank God some people consider this theater thing a church, a place that can feel like heaven, a place for pretending. Go ahead, change the world. Impossible. Go ahead, change yourself. Impossible. So we're here asking for your help to help us do the impossible. Because we're delusional, yes. We are dreamers, yes. We are doers, yes. To act is an action as well as a passion. We are make-believers, asking you to believe in us, to help us mount this show and make it magical. Because at the end of the day, we just want to play.